Okay. So number 6, we talk about keeping receipts. So organizing and storing your documents. So obviously keep your receipts. I would suggest, I think it's super helpful if you do it in the moment, write notes on the back of your receipts. I say this because I've done bookkeeping for clients before, and nothing is less fun than trying to have them figure out what a, Winn-Dixie receipt was for. Was it personal? Was it business? What was the specific event, or maybe even potential client? So like literally just jotting down once you have the receipt, even on the back of it, and maybe say, the customer or the project, and what it is. So then that way you don't have to try and remember, especially if you aren't doing your bookkeeping on, a weekly basis, then you definitely would want to do that. Because if you're doing it biweekly, or if you're doing it, monthly, you want to make sure that you are able to note that, because you're not going to remember at the end of the month. Um, like we talked about before, organize your documents online, scanning them in saves you time, hassle, office space. Wave Receipts is a free tool that Wave has as well, where you can, I guess, upload your receipts with on QuickBooks Online. I know they have a mobile app where you can take pictures of your receipts. So a lot of different ways that you can make that type of thing simpler. And so some sample storage folders, if you're going to store like on your desktop or on your cloud storage, is like things that are your accounts payable, your accounts receivables, any vendor receipts, banking stuff, right? Like your banking statements, that sort of thing, payroll, tax, loans, and any other correspondence. Are ways that you should store. Keep in mind, tax returns should be stored for 7 years. So basically, you would always want to store your current year and 6 years prior, is what they say that you should keep, because pretty much that's what you could be audited for and up to. And also a little rule of thumb, if the expense is over $75, definitely keep a proof of it and keep records. So keep the receipt, at least for 3 years. For anything that's over $75, you want to keep that.